Mr. Van Ryn and Ms. Smith, I'm going to announce the sentences at the same time because your sentences are the same. I'm not going to draw any distinction, even though Mr. Van Ryn has previous convictions and you, Mr. Apollos, and Ms. Smith does not have. On the human trafficking charge, you are sentenced to life imprisonment.
A Western Cape High Court has sentenced Jacqueline Botha Apollos, Stephen Van Ryn, and Kelly Smith to life imprisonment for their roles in the human trafficking of missing 6-year-old Jocelyn Smith, a case that has shocked and devastated the Saldanha Bay community. The sentencing, delivered by Judge Nathan Erasmus on Thursday, brought a tense courtroom to a standstill. The three convicted individuals entered with somber expressions as members of the public, law enforcement officials, and civic leaders looked on. Among those in attendance were Western Cape Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Thembisile Patekile and MEC for Police Oversight and Community Safety Andrew Marias, both of whom have closely followed the case since Jocelyn's disappearance earlier this year. In a scathing judgment, Judge Erasmus reflected on the far-reaching impact of the case, describing it as a tragedy born in an environment rife with social decay and drug abuse. As Jocelyn grew up in circumstances no child should endure, it is the duty of this court to balance all the relevant factors with a measure of mercy. Despite the sentiment, the judge found no grounds for leniency. He underscored that none of the accused showed remorse and dismissed their attempts to deflect responsibility. Turning to Apollos, nicknamed Botha, Judge Erasmus lamented his failure as a father figure to Jocelyn and her siblings, and said, "You are a father of two, yet you failed not only your children, but Jocelyn as well." Van Ryn, whom the judge described as a menace to society, was castigated for repeatedly ignoring opportunities to turn his life around, and said, "You, more than anyone, should understand the consequences of crime, but instead you chose to show contempt for this court and remain unrepentant." Kelly Smith, who was once entrusted with the care of Jocelyn, was accused of manipulative behavior and deflecting blame. He said, "You went as far as to blame your parents for your actions. Since February 19, you've shown no genuine concern." While the trio claimed to have been under the influence of drugs at the time of the crime, the judge made it clear this did not lessen their culpability and said, "You had ample time to speak the truth and come clean. Substance abuse is not shield for moral collapse." Alongside the life sentences for human trafficking, each was also handed 10-year sentences for kidnapping to run concurrently. At the prosecution's request, Judge Erasmus ordered that all three names be entered into the National Child Protection Register, a legal tool under South Africa's Children's Act designed to prevent individuals who harm children from working with or accessing them again. The defense's application for leave to appeal was denied, though a future date will be set for further consideration. Speaking outside the court, Jocelyn's father, Jose Mke, voiced his anguish and said, "I will not be happy until I hear my daughter's voice and see her face. Why can't Kelly just speak the truth and tell us what happened?" Despite the convictions, Jocelyn's whereabouts remain unknown. Lieutenant General Patekile welcomed the sentencing but emphasized that the investigation remains active, and said this case has deeply affected many South Africans. The South African Police Services team showed professionalism and relentless dedication. While this verdict cannot undo the pain, it sends a clear message: crimes against our most vulnerable will not go unpunished. He confirmed that the search for Jocelyn continues and said, "We are following every possible lead. This case is far from over." As the courtroom emptied, justice may have spoken, but for Jocelyn's family and Saldanha Bay community, true closure will only come when the little girl is found. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.